My dear students, our next question 42, it is also in level 1 classwork. The incenter of the triangle formed by the lines x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to 5, x cos beta plus y sin beta is equal to 5, x cos gamma plus y sin gamma is equal to 5 is h comma k. Then find h plus k. To find incenter in direct method, it is a little bit lengthy, but once you observe the given lines, here all of them are coefficients are nothing but cos alpha, sin alpha and phi only. Cos beta, sin beta, phi. Cos gamma, sin gamma, phi. So, all these are cos and sin functions with different angles. Okay. If you observe this one, if you go for the perpendicular distance from origin to the given three lines, what it says. So first I am giving one example for one line equation. So if you find the distance from origin to one line equation, what it says. So distance from origin to x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to 5 is 0 into cos alpha, because of in the x comma y you substitute x1 comma y1. That means ax1 plus by1 plus c. Here c is nothing but minus 5. So 0 cos alpha plus 0 sin alpha minus pi by root over cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. So what it says, root over cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1. So this is modulus of minus pi, that is 5 only. Same meaning. So for the x cos beta plus y sin beta is equal to 5, what you get? Same thing. So these two terms will becomes to 0 minus pi by root cos square beta plus sin square beta. So that is also 1. So we get only 5. From 0 to this line also, if you go for same answer, you may get 5 only, because of 0 cos gamma plus 0 sin gamma minus pi by root over cos square gamma plus sin square gamma, that is also equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Based on that identity, all these three perpendicular distance becomes to equal, that is equal to 5. So whenever you get like that, so very clearly we can say that incenter is nothing but what is that point, that is 0 comma 0 only. Already I told you. For suppose so from the point, from the any point inside the triangle, if that point is equidistant from the sides of the triangle, then that point is nothing but incenter of the triangle. So I explained starting only. Okay. So for suppose if it is 0 comma 0, the perpendicular distance from, because of the triangle formed by these three lines only, 0 comma 0 to this line is equal to 5. Perpendicular distance from 0 comma 0 to this line also 5, 0 comma 0 to this line also 5. So all these distance are equal, means so this is nothing but incenter, and this is nothing but incenter, this is the incircle. So what is asking? The incenter of the triangle. So incenter of the triangle, very clear answer, 0 comma 0. So they given 0 comma 0 is equal to h comma k. So find h plus k. So h plus k is equal to 0. This is also one of the conceptual question. Next question. If one vertex of an equilateral triangle is the origin and a side opposite to it has the equation x plus y is equal to 1, then the orthocenter of the triangle is. This is level 2 classwork question. If one vertex of an equilateral triangle is the origin and side opposite to it has the equation x plus y is equal to 1, then the orthocenter of the triangle is. So given equilateral triangle, okay, it is an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter, centroid, all these are coincident. So, so instead of orthocenter, we can find centroid also. Okay, very easy. So, one vertex of an equilateral triangle is origin they given, so 0 comma 0, and opposite side is x plus y is equal to 1 they given. First, if you go for this is origin, if you find at least this point, so this is nothing but, let us consider, if you drop a median or perpendicular or angular bisector, whatever may be, okay, that is coincident, because it is an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, altitudes, orthocenters, circumcenters, that means whenever you go for centroid, altitudes, centroid, circumcenter, orthocenter, incenter. If all these four coincident, then altitude, angular bisector, median, perpendicular bisector, all of them are also constant. So if you want to draw perpendicular, that is nothing but median only. So how to find this point? It may be median or foot of the perpendicular or foot of the angular bisector, whatever may be it is. So how can you find? You cannot find median. That means midpoint you cannot find because you don't know these two lines. Can you find foot of the perpendicular? That means where it meet altitude. Can you find foot of the perpendicular? Yes. The foot of the perpendicular from origin to this line x plus y is equal to 1. You can find very clearly. So h comma k, let us consider this point. This foot of the perpendicular is you take as h comma k and origin is 0 comma 0. So foot of the perpendicular from 0 comma 0 to x plus y is equal to 1 is a. Let us consider. So then you use the formula h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. In other words, I gave formula for directly you can find, okay, minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. If you use this formula in the place of x1 comma y1 0 comma 0, substitute h minus 0 by, here a means coefficient of x, that is 1, k minus y1 means 0 by b means coefficient of y1 is equal to minus of ax1. So x1 y1 0, so 0 into anything is 0 plus 0. C means minus 1, transpose this side ax plus by plus c. So in the place of c we have minus 1 by a square plus b square, 1 square plus 1 square. So h is equal to, here minus of minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So it is h by 1 only, so h is equal to 1 by 2. Same, k by 1 is equal to 1 by 2. So h comma k is equal to 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So foot of the perpendicular is nothing but 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So this is nothing but foot of the median also. So here orthocenter is nothing but centroid. You can find easily centroid. So because of centroid divides the median in the 2:1 ratio. Okay, so in the 2:1 ratio means, so apply the section formula here. In 10th class also we have section formula. Okay, so what is section formula? So let us consider this is the point we are going to finding some x1 comma y1. Okay, so this point is nothing but 2 in, that means 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into 0. So 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into 0 by 2 plus 1 comma, next 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into 0 by same 2 plus 1. Okay, I am writing here. So let us consider this is g. We are going to finding, this is origin 0 comma 0, this is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So this is 2 1. So this is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. So g is nothing but, this is some mn. Okay, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Most of the students they know very well, but once you remember this one, I am just remind you. This is the section formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus 1. So I applied this formula to get the centroid. So we got 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1, plus 0, that is 1 by 3. So 2 into 1 by 2, 1 plus 0 by 3, 1 by 3. So centroid here 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3. So that is only the orthocenter, because in equilateral triangle orthocenter coincident to centroid. Okay, next problem. If the circumcenter of the triangle at 0 comma 0 and centroid is middle point of a square plus 1 comma a square plus 1 and 2a minus 2a, then the orthocenter lies in. So then the orthocenter lies on the which line? Okay, very clear. If the circumcenter of the triangle lies at 0 comma 0, so they given circumcenter 0 comma 0 and the centroid is midpoint of these two lines. So he is asking to orthocenter lies on. If you find orthocenter, you can say the answer. So there is a relation between centroid, orthocenter and circumcenter. So if you drop a line, Euler's line, in Euler's line OGS, okay, if you take OGS, orthocenter, centroid, circumcenter. So in the Euler's line, G divides OS, orthocenter and circumcenter, divides in the ratio 2:1. So G divides the line segment joining orthocenter and circumcenter divides in the ratio 2:1. So this is the main concept to do this problem. Okay, so centroid also we know the given midpoint of these 2 points, that is nothing but a square plus 1 plus 2a by 2, a square plus 1 minus 2a by 2. So given circumcenter is s is equal to 0 comma 0 the given, and centroid G is equal to midpoint of those 2 lines, those 2 points, a square plus 1 minus 2 plus 2a by 2 and a square plus 1 minus 2a by 2. So this is a plus 1 whole square formula. If you expand this one, you get this one only. This is nothing but a minus 1 whole square formula. So if you expand this one, you get this one. So for verification, no problem. If you know very well, directly you write a minus 1 whole square by 2. So this is centroid. Now centroid divides OS in the ratio 2:1. Same applies section formula. That means this centroid is plus 1 whole square by 2 comma a minus 1 whole square by 2 is equal to 2 into 0 plus 1 into h by 2 plus 1. Next 2 into 0 plus 1 into k by 2 plus 1. Same formula, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by n plus n. So apply this formula. So equate corresponding coordinates, this one and this one. If you equate, so a plus 1 whole square by 2 is equal to 2 into 0, 0 plus h by 3. So a minus 1 whole square by 2 is equal to 2 into 0, 0 plus k by 3. So h is equal to 3 times of 3 transpose this side, a plus 1 whole square by 2. K is equal to 3 times of a minus 1 whole square by 2. So here we got orthocenter h comma k is equal to 3 into a plus 1 whole square by 2 comma 3 into a minus 1 whole square by 2. So in the given options, if you substitute, which equations that means which equation satisfied by this point, that is the answer. If you substitute in the first equation, what you have? A minus 1 whole square into 3 into a plus 1 whole square by 2. That means 3 by 2 into a minus 1 whole square into a plus 1 whole square. Minus k substitute here in the place of y. So we have a plus 1 whole square into 3 times of a minus 1 whole square by 2. That means 3 by 2 into a plus 1 whole square into a minus 1 whole square. Same to same, both are same to same you got, but in the difference is there. So this becomes to 0. So right side 0, left side 0. So the first equation satisfied by this point, 3 into a plus 1 whole square by 2, 3 into a minus 1 whole square by 2. Okay, so this orthocenter passing through first option. Very clear answer. Okay, so passing through first option, 3 into a plus 1 whole square by 2, 3 into a minus 1 whole square.